Little guy ain't looking at me now, but I'm pretty sure it is a little guy. He's got little tiny bumps on top of his head. I could see when he looked at me. When he looked straight at me. I can see them now. I hope the camera's getting it. Look right at me again, little one. Oh, look at that. Definitely a little buck. Got two little bumps on his head. Oh my. You're a little boy. There you are. I suppose if I try and zoom in, I'll lose focus completely. Yeah. Shoot. Oh, I can see them plain as day now. Came even closer. Two little bumps on his head where his little antlers are growing for the first time. My goodness. You're a little boy. Yeah, you are. You're a little buck. Yeah, you are. You're a little buck. Little boy.